Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
I saw the girl is trying out cloves water and I said, why not? Let me give it a try. Guys, I didn't like the outcome. Hello again and welcome to another DIY video. Today I'm trying the cloves water for hair growth. I saw the girlies doing this and I thought to myself, why not try it? So a little background: cloves is gotten from the cloves tree, is the dried flowers from the cloves tree, and it has a lot of benefits for the body, for the hair, for the skin. People use it to cure infection and a lot of other medicinal uses. Today I'm going to be trying it for hair growth because based on my research I learned that it is used to cure dandruff, it is used to strengthen the hair, it is used for hair growth, and it is used to reduce inflammation and a lot of things. The manual states that I should use 2 tablespoons of cloves in 3 cups of water, then keep it for 2 to 3 days to soak and then strain it out. So that's exactly what I did. All right, I did this, and after 3 days this is my mixture, so I'm straining it out right now. So after 3 days I strained the water out and I transferred it to the spray bottle that I will be using to spray on my hair. Now this is the clove that's gotten after 3 days. You can see how swollen it has become, and this is what the water looks like, very dark, because I kept it for 3 days. This is it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and spray on my hair now. Ladies, this is where I feel like I made the first mistake. I feel like I shouldn't have sprayed it while my hair was twisted or braided. Probably I should have loosed my hair after spraying it, then I'll oil it, then I'll now braid it or something. But I didn't do it that way. I just sprayed it and massaged it. Then I went ahead to use shea butter and oil. Okay, I think I used my hair oil on it. Now that's the shea butter. I used shea butter while it was still like that, and I feel like that was my first mistake, or not. I don't know, but I just feel like it's the same thing whether your hair is loosed or not. Just going over the process is the same thing. So I don't know, but this was the first day. This was the first day, and I was going to try this out for 7 days initially, but I ended up trying it out for 14 days. I just felt that 7 days was too short to see any results. Now this is like day 12, and I got tired of the whole process because I just wanted to see my results. So today is like day 12. I was supposed to give it for I'm supposed to give it for 7 days, but I got it to day 12. So let's just say we are doing 14 days challenge instead of 7 days challenge. And this is what my water bottle looks like. I haven't been using, I used it consistently for the first 1 to 6 day, but I didn't use it consistently for the 7th day till now consistently. I was just using it 1 day on and 1 day off because I was experiencing some skin irritation. My scalp was seriously itching, and I had to stop using it at some point. So I had to figure out what was wrong. So as at today, this is what is left, and I'm going to tell you my findings in general, like whether I'll be doing this or not. Okay, so now is the time for big reveal. My hair has been covered for like 2 weeks. So I'm going to be showing the big review, and then I'm going to be combing out my hair to see how much hair I've shed and whether my hair grew or not. Are you ready? I haven't combed my hair since then. I washed my hair before I started, so I haven't washed my hair again, and I haven't combed my hair again since then. When I want to oil the hair after spraying the clove water, when I want to oil the hair, I just loose oil, finger the tangle, and then I braid back or I twist back. So I haven't combed my hair per se. Today I'm going to be combing the hair to reveal what my findings are and to reveal whether my hair actually grew or not. You guys. So my god, oh my god. Ouch. So my hair is actually dry, very dry, despite the fact that I oil every day. Even though they say we shouldn't oil every day, I have been oiling every day. Okay. I don't want to scream yet, but I think this is not a complete epic failure. All right, so it's not an epic failure. I'm just going to be spraying my hair with normal water, and I'm going to be using leave-in conditioner. Then I'm going to be using a white tooth comb to know whether this actually worked or not. I'm going to be showing my before this challenge hair growth, and now you guys are going to be the judge. Okay. One of the things I noticed was my hair was seriously itching me. So at the point I had to like stop spraying the water every day. I feel that I shouldn't be spraying the water every day. Maybe I made a mistake by spraying the water every day. And my hair was seriously itching me. I was getting bruises upon bruises. So I'm just trying to figure out what was causing the irritation, if it was fungus in the clove water or if I used something, because I actually use grease on my hair, kakatin oil. So it's probably the reason why maybe my hair got irritated at some point. I used shea butter, but I was careful enough not to use shea butter on my scalp, but I used shea butter for the hair strands. And I also used, I think I used something that had coconut oil. Well, because coconut oil always irritates my hair, my scalp, so probably that was the cause. And you guys can also tell me what you think might be the reason for this. I just added water to the remaining clove water. I'm not going to waste that water. I don't know if I'm doing it wrong. And I have this oil. You guys, we know how plenty this oil was when I started using it, but right now this is the quantity of oil remaining. And I got this Lush Daily Living Conditioner. I wanted to try it before getting the whole, like the bigger pack. I wanted to try it and I saw their sachet. You guys know that I've been using the Mega Growth Living Conditioner if you check my former videos, but I wanted to try this so that I will give a review. So watch out for my review. I'm going to be reviewing this Lush Living Conditioner, look at the name. Lush Living Conditioner and Mega Growth Living Conditioner, and I will tell you which of them I feel is better for you to use as a natural hair girl. So let's go. So while you are watching me do this, if this is your first time of watching me, please kindly subscribe, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to be notified of my videos. And if this is not your first time, thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Now you guys, this was me combing my hair after moisturizing, and at this point I wasn't scared because this was the hair that I lost after the first twist that I lose. So I felt that okay, this was okay, this wasn't bad. But guys, after going through every twist, this was the hair that I lost. I was so disappointed. My hair was breaking. I know that clove water used to cause hair dryness and your hair to break, and that was the reason why I kept moisturizing with oil and water. I kept moisturizing. Another thing is that my hair was seriously itching, my scalp was seriously itching, I was seriously itching. In fact, I felt so irritated and I just feel like I'm not going to be doing this anymore because I didn't expect this. If I have to do this anymore, it has to be just like a tea rinse after my wash day. But I don't think I'll do this hair challenge anymore. I just feel disappointed. If you guys know something that I'm doing, I did wrong, kindly tell me in the comment section. I'll be waiting. Just let me know. Tell me my mistakes. Probably I should have refrigerated the close water or something. I just feel that I didn't get it right. It was just not correct. It was just wrong. I tried to measure my hair and I was not happy with it. This was my hair length before and this is my hair length now. You can see the difference that my hair was breaking. My hair broke out a lot. Like the difference is just clear. This is the thickness of my hair before and this is the thickness of my hair now. It was just so disappointing. Guys, I don't think I'm trying this anymore. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.